Can I file for workers' compensation and still sue my employer? Well, I need more information about that question. The reality is, if you've got hurt on the job and your employer, you want to sue your employer for getting hurt on the job, you have to go through workers' compensation. So that's called the exclusive remedy rule. Georgia's put that law into place. So you can't have a workers' compensation claim and sue your employer for the same injury. Now, that being said, if you have a workers' compensation claim and then the employer wrongfully terminates you, and there's an employment action or some sort of discriminatory action, certainly you can sue your employer. That is not related to the same injury. That is related to a separate matter. So there are chances where you could sue your employer, but it just wouldn't be connected to the injury itself. We have a lot of people who've been seriously injured and they're upset because their employer clearly didn't follow safety rules like they should have, and they got injured as a result of that, and they want to punish them. However, it has to go through workers' comp, and you're pretty much giving up the right to pain and suffering. There may be exceptions to that rule. Most of the time, it falls under the exclusive remedy. However, if you've got questions, you got to call the Georgia Workers' Compensation attorney, because everything with any questions in workers' comp is fact-related or fact-based and specific to the facts and the scenario that you're going through. So in order to better understand that, you need to speak with the Georgia Workers' Compensation attorney so they can say yes, no, or you know what, let me do some more research.